Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use your new Microsoft Teams account. So the first step is to log out from your existing Teams account which the school had provided earlier. Now since we have upgraded our Teams subscription, so you will have to use your new MS Teams login details. So to log out from the old account, open your Microsoft Teams account application and click on this tab and click on sign out. From mobile also you can sign out the same way. And now I will log in with the user ID and password that I have received from the school through SMS or email. This is the message that I got. This is the test student that I am trying to demonstrate through. I will copy my user ID. It is my admission number at cambridgenoida.edu.in. I'll click on sign in. And now I will enter the default password that I have been given in this school. I'll click on this. Now it will ask me to update my password. It is very mandatory to change your password upon one's first login so that your account is not compromised. I have put in the password that I received from the school. Now I will set my own password, and what I will do, I will note it down somewhere so that I don't face any problems hereafter. Note it down in a diary or somewhere so that you can easily. Now see more info. When you see this dialog box, it means that if you provide some information, then you will be able to reset your password when you forget. So in order to do that, you will have to put in some information. Click on next and choose your account, the new Microsoft account that has been given to you. So now you can check, don't lose your account to access to your account. So you will need to set up at least one of the options below. You can set it through your mobile phone, so the OTP will come on your mobile. You can choose to do it through your email ID also, and you can choose the option of security questions. So where I'm going to have the option of doing it through the email. So I'm gonna enter my email. Try to use your personal email IDs, not the official email IDs for this. So whatever personal email ID that you have, you can enter that. It will verify that whether your email is correct or not. When you click on email me, an email will be, a code will be sent on your email. So now I'll go and check my account. Then see, I've got a mail from Microsoft. I will copy this code and authenticate myself. When I click on this verify button, that means in case I forget my password, I can reset it on my own. You will not have to call this school to get your password reset. Now you can see that you have easily logged into your account. You will see all your teams and the other stuff, and you can join your classes. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to recover your password in case you have forgotten your password. I'm signing out from this account, and once again I'll try to sign in through the new Microsoft Teams account. Send code option, you will always get the send code option when your email ID is incorrect. The MS Teams ID is incorrect. See, there is a spelling mistake in this. The spelling of Cambridge is not correct. So what I'll do, I'll close this, I'll restart it, and I will retype it carefully. Click on sign in. Now I don't know, remember my password. What was my password? I'll click on forget my password. When I click on this, a captcha will, I enter the captcha, click on next. Now it will send a code on my email. So I'll wait for the code to come to my email. I'll check my email. Now see that code has come from Microsoft. I'll enter this code and verify it. Click on next. Now it will provide me an option to change my password on my own will. So I'll set up my password. I've changed my password. Now I will log in again using my new Microsoft ID, which is my admission number at cambridgenoida.edu.in, and then I will key in my password that I have just reset. I'm able to log into my account with my the new password. So happy learning, don't panic.